In this video, let me show you how to speed up the REALME phone by overclocking the CPU. Let's begin. So if you would like to enable the overclocking CPU, if you would like to speed up your device, you need to enable also developer options. So let's do it by using settings. Let's choose here about phone. From about phone you need to find version, and here you've got build number. You need to tap a couple of times to build number to enable developer options. In my case, I'm already a developer, so I don't need to do this, but if you are not, let's just tap build number, I think 7 or 10 times, and you will enable developer options. Then let's go back and choose here system. From system you can enable developer options here. Scroll down, and here you should find the system tracing. Let's just find it. As you can see, there is like a lot of developer options. It's like here, system tracing. You can also use this loop to just type system tracing and you will find it. Let's just tap it here, and here let's scroll down again. Okay, and here you can change the buffer size, CPU buffer size. Let's tap it and let's choose the highest possible option right here. So let me choose the highest one, and let's also enable long traces. So by using those two features, you will just enable more power to your device, you just enable more CPU, and your phone should speed up. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.